Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir. Thanks, pups. We've got a mission on Jake's Mountain, and we've got to hurry. Uncle Otis the Prospector is in a runaway minecart.
Yikes!
We have to rescue him and stop the minecart before it crashes.
Rubble on the double.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol.
Hey, Ryder, I lost sight of the minecart.
I haven't seen it either, but I just heard a panicky prospector.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey!
Uncle Otis is going that way, fast! Rubble, Uncle Otis is headed your way. Start dosing that dirt bank.
This doggy's already digging, Ryder. I'm gonna build a roadblock big enough to protect Uncle Otis's cabin.
Roger that, Rubble. This way, Everest. We've got to get Uncle Otis out of that minecart before it reaches Rubble's barricade.
How do I control this thing?
There he is, Everest. Can you get close enough to use your snowcat's grabber arm?
Just watch me. Arf! Grabber arm. Hang on, Uncle Otis. I'll pull you to safety. Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Right behind you, Uncle Otis. Gotcha.
Nice catch, Everest.
Ask your parents to subscribe to the Toymation YouTube channel.